Okay, so we're going to talk about critical writing today. So the difference between critical writing and descriptive writing. When lots of students come to university, they often get mixed up or they're unsure how to actually write critically as opposed to writing descriptively. It's very easy to write descriptively or to fall into the habit of writing descriptively. So when you use descriptive writing, you are literally describing something, you're outlining the events of something or someone, you're being very descriptive, you are telling a narrative, you're showing maybe a pattern, you're showing a certain direction, but you're just explaining what happened or what the evidence shows us without actually engaging with that evidence or engaging with those facts, figures. So critical writing, instead of telling us what happened, it evaluates what happened. Is there some sort of hierarchy? Can we put something in order? Is something more significant, least significant? Critical writing as well also depends upon your critical thinking, your ability to be critical of other evidence. So being critical doesn't always mean being negative. It's about picking up on the strengths, weaknesses, limitations, usefulness, all of those key skills you may have learned at college level, which you're going to develop further at university level. It's about being able to pick these sources, pick these pieces of evidence apart. Can you identify the bias within a source? It's no good saying that the source may be biased, because all sources are biased somewhere. It's about you trying to find out why. How are these sources biased? Maybe who is the author? When was this source published? How is that relevant? What's the context of this source? So it's about trying to find out the intricacies of the sources, trying to find out what was the motive behind them, why were they published, what other literature do they contribute towards, is there a pattern here as well?